Hello guys, our topic for today is about sign numbers. Now let's start to addition. In addition of integers, if same sign, add the absolute value and keep sign. If different sign, copy the sign of the bigger number and then subtract. Okay, let's start to the addition. Example, positive 6 plus positive 6 is equal to 12. I-add mo tong 6 plus 6. Then, copy these same sign numbers here. And the answer is positive 12. How about negative plus negative? Negative 8 plus negative 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. And copy the same sign numbers. That is negative. So the answer is negative 16. How about different sign numbers in addition? So you have to subtract kapag different sign numbers. Negative 17 plus positive 7, then you have to subtract 17 minus 7, that is 10. Okay? So, ikakopy mo ang sign numbers na mayroong bigger number. So, ang bigger number ay 17. So, ikakopy mo ang negative sign numbers nito. And the answer is negative 10. Another example, positive 22 plus negative 2. Then you have to subtract 22 minus 2 is equal to 20. Then copy mo yung may bigger number na may sign numbers. So, ang may bigger number ay ang 22 na mayroong positive. So, copy mo ang positive sign numbers dito. And then the answer is positive 20. Okay guys, until next time, thank you.